Are you ready to kickstart your marketing career with a dynamic team? We're looking for an enthusiastic marketing assistant to join our dealership family. If you're eager to learn more about automotive dealership marketing while using cutting-edge tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and have a passion for creating fresh, eye-catching content and commercials, this is the perfect opportunity for you. What we're looking for? A positive attitude and a willingness to learn. A strong interest in marketing, video content creation, or advertising. Great computer skills with familiarity with video production. We're also looking for excellent communication and teamwork skills. The right candidate should be detail-oriented with a creative spark. This is a full-time position, and we're excited to help you grow. If you're ready to jump in, send us your resume and a quick note or a short video telling us why you would be a great fit for this role. Email your application to pricefordofturlock@gmail.com with the subject line, Marketing Assistant Application, and your name. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you from Price Ford of Turlock.